My name is Robert with Mining Sentry, and today I'm going to show you how to use our exam builder to create custom exams for your mining operation. So here we're at the Mining Sentry app, and you can see we've got our pre-operation equipment exams, and this is going to be your list of equipment. So you can see you've got some dozers, some haul trucks, some loaders, and all of your equipment is going to show up in here. And we're going to take a look at how we create customizable exams. So what you're going to do is you're coming to Forms on the menu. Then you're going to create a new form. Here we're at our custom exam builder, and you can see we've got a preview on the right and information that you can enter on the left. So for the title, we're going to do a loader pre-operation exam. And you can notice as you update information, it's going to update the live preview here on the right. So we're going to choose the cadence. The cadence is going to be daily. This is equipment inspection. And for this, we're going to track the hours. And we're also going to track the gallons of fuel in case we're going to track fuel. Coming down, you see our list of questions. So this is going to be questions that you need answered for your pre-operation inspection. So let's say hydraulic status. And we can say this OK fail button is going to populate OK and fail. So those two options. If you ever want to change them from OK fail to maybe pass fail, or we see no deficiencies found a lot, you can come in here and you can say pass fail. And that's going to live update for you right there. So it's going to be pretty easy. So that's one question. Let's add another question and say backup alarm. And we're going to hit OK fail. And we scroll down. We can see in the preview, it's going to show you everything that you're doing working on the form is going to show you in the preview to make sure it works for you. So there's backup alarm. Let's go ahead and take a look at the tire status. And your plant likely has these in paper form or using another system, and you can just copy paste and make it just how you want it with this. So that's that form. Let's go ahead and create it. So now that our form is ready, we can create equipment or associate loaders to it. So let's go to equipment. Let's create a loader. Yard loader for the title. We have metadata about that loader that can help you sync other systems. And we're going to pick our inspections. So you can choose different inspections. You can have one or many. So we're going to choose that loader pre-op. You may have a post-operation inspection. Maybe you have an inspection when you do fueling. And go ahead and hit create. Now in our inspections, if we look for our loader, here's our yard loader. This is going to be the exact form that we just created. So that custom form. What I do want to show is how we add workplace exams as well. So we've got equipment, and that's going to be a lot of your mobile equipment. And then we also have potentially some like a stacker or plants, whatever. Then we have our workplaces. So these are different work areas. So it might be the pit, the yard. We come in here. We've got some example information, but how we go about that is so we're going to create a new form for our workplaces. So um, workplace exam for mine. We're going to choose our cadence. So again, daily. And we could say high wall status. So maybe this work area is around high walls. So there's that question. Another question might be, are guards in place and functional? Okay, fail. Fire extinguisher present. Okay, fail. And then you can work with your team and your people to come up with the forms and inspections that you need for your different workplaces and equipment. And we're going to be able to handle it all in here, very customizable. So you've got that workplace for mine. And over here, we can come to the areas tab. Here we've got some just some areas already loaded. So we've got customer loadout area, primary plant, sand and gravel dredge, secondary plant. So let's just go ahead and just to show how this works is we'll just do your mine for the area. And then again, we're going to choose our form. So here's our workplace for mine. That's what we just created and save it. Now these forms and these areas are going to get pushed to all your operators in the field, and they're going to be able to start tracking this information. And there's our what we just created. So that's a high level overview of how you create custom exams for your operation and then how you add equipment and workplaces. Thanks.